Hi everyone, my name is Sheldon Griffith, and the individual I'll be discussing is Edwin Hubble. Hubble does not have a direct correlation to what I want to do in my career, but I've always had a interest in space and what could be out there. Hubble was a astronomer who's made two very large discoveries that have changed the way astronomers look at space from then on out. Hubble was born in November 20th, 1889, died on September 28th, 1953, at the age of 63. He was considered the leading observational cosmologist of the 20th century and went to the University of Chicago. There, he served a year as a laboratory assistant under physicist Robert Millikan, a Nobel Prize winner. Hubble graduated in 1910 and was selected as a Rhodes Scholar from Illinois and spent 3 years at the University of Oxford. From there, he was awarded a Bachelor's of Arts in Jurisprudence, a subject that his father insisted on him taking. It wasn't until after his father's death in 1913 is when he decided to pursue his scientific career. He then returned to the University of Chicago to embark on a graduate studies of astronomy. After receiving his degree, Hubble was invited to work at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California, but had to delay his acceptance due to him enlisting into the Army for World War I. Upon return to the civilian life, he took a position at the observatory where he was able to work with the two largest telescopes in the world. He left the observatory again in 1942 to serve in World War II, where he was awarded the Medal of Merit. Before his death in 1953, he oversaw the construction of the 200-inch Hale telescope on Palomar Mountain, which would be the largest telescope on Earth, until Russia's BTA-6 that was built in 1976. Hubble's two biggest discoveries as an astronomer was that there were galaxies outside the Milky Way and that the universe is expanding, which means the galaxies outside the Milky Way are moving away from us, some as fast as 90 million miles per hour. Though Hubble was most well known for those major discoveries, he also made a number of other contributions to the field of astronomy and received numerous awards, but he's never won the Nobel Prize, even though despite the role in improving the existing understanding of the universe. But it didn't happen, or he was never eligible for it until 1953 after his death, which ended up making him uneligible because you cannot win one while you're dead. And then in 1990, NASA, or 38 years after Hubble's death, NASA launched the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit around Earth. The telescope, named for Edwin Hubble, has provided a wealth of information about the cosmos, transmitting hundreds of thousands of images. It has allowed for more precise calculations of the age of the universe, shown galaxies in all stages of the universe, and played a key role in discovery of the dark energy, the force causing the universe to expand. But now that you know more about Edwin Hubble and of his work, I hope it gives you a better understanding of how far we've come in such a little time. But yeah, thanks for watching.